In this video, we'll be looking at the features of the new 2024 Chevy Traverse.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Welcome once again to Sim Action Auto Review channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification, like, share and also, comment down below. The new Z71 model in the 2024 Chevy Traverse brings an adventurous spirit. A new turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-four engine and a large 17.7-inch touchscreen are among the changes to Chevy's three-row midsize crossover. The 2024 Chevy Traverse features a bolder outward appearance and a beautiful interior with a massive 17.7-inch infotainment display as standard. The V6 engine has been replaced by a new turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-four that produces 315 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. Chevy has introduced the Z71 package, which has an all-wheel drive system, Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain tires, and a revised front bumper. Three-row SUVs have become the car of choice for the suburban American family, and Chevrolet anticipates that the market will become even more popular over the next 5 years. Chevy has announced the new 2024 Traverse, which features an aggressive appearance, a more powerful powertrain, and a larger portfolio that now includes an off-road-focused Z71 model. The 2024 Traverse retains the boxy shape, high-mounted LED running lights, with the main headlamps below, and squared-off grille of the outgoing crossover. The 2024 model, on the other hand, appears more aggressive due to a more athletic stance and a wider grille, and the LED taillights match the L-shaped units on the 2024 tracks. Chevy did not offer particular specs, but told car and driver that the wheelbase remained the same at 120.9 inches. The interior has been completely redesigned, with a clean, coherent design centered on a new standard 17.7-inch touchscreen. Chevy has announced the new 2024 Traverse, which features an aggressive appearance, a more powerful powertrain, and a larger portfolio that now includes an off-road-focused Z71 model. The 2024 Traverse retains the boxy shape, high-mounted LED running lights, with the main headlamps below, and squared-off grille of the outgoing crossover. The 2024 model, on the other hand, appears more aggressive due to a more athletic stance and a wider grille, and the LED taillights match the L-shaped units on the 2024 tracks. Chevy did not offer particular specs, but told car and driver that the wheelbase remained the same at 120.9 inches. The interior has been completely redesigned, with a clean, coherent design centered on a new standard 17.7-inch touchscreen. The LT and Z71 can be specified with General Motors Evitex faux leather upholstery, while the RS has leather upholstery on the front two rows. For a more flashy look, the RS variant adds black 22-inch wheels, blacked-out exterior trim, a 3-spoke flat-bottom steering wheel, and red highlights on the black inside. The suspension of the RS has been tuned to be more sporty, and a lighting animation plays as owners approach the vehicle with the key. The LT and Z71 have a panoramic sunroof with a power sunshade, while the RS has one as standard. More capability and power. The naturally aspirated 3.6-liter V6 engine is replaced by a new turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder in the 2024 Traverse. The inline-four produces 315 horsepower, which is 5 more than the V6, and torque is up 51 pound-feet for a total of 317. The engine is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, which replaces the previous 9-speed unit, and the Traverse is available in front-wheel or all-wheel drive. Chevy claims the new engine has greater fuel economy than the previous V6, which was rated at a combined 21 miles per gallon with front-wheel drive. The Traverse can pull up to 5,000 pounds depending on the setup. Chevy is now offering the Traverse in a more adventurous Z71 trim level for the first time. The Z71 rides somewhat higher and has a little wider track, which Chevy claims improves stability and handling. The front bumper is beefier, with an aluminum skid plate and red tow hooks, and Chevy claims that the Z71 has a better approach angle than other Traverses. The Z71 also has an off-road specific twin-clutch all-wheel drive system, as well as particular dampers with hydraulic rebound control that should help level out the ride over uneven terrain. The Z71 is equipped with a specific terrain mode, hill descent control, and a standard trailering kit, and sits on tough-looking 18-inch wheels covered in Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain rubber. Of course, the Traverse comes standard with a slew of driver assistance features to keep the whole family safe, including lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and forward collision warning. Adaptive cruise control, traffic sign recognition, reverse automatic braking, and a suite of parking cameras and sensors are all available for the Traverse. Every Traverse has a new buckle to drive system that requires front occupants to buckle up before driving, while a rear seatbelt reminder reminds rear occupants to do the same. The Traverse will also be available with the most recent version of GM's hands-free driver assistance technology, Super Cruise, which takes over steering, accelerating, and braking tasks on divided roads. The system now executes lane changes automatically and continues to function when towing a trailer. The 2024 Traverse will go on sale early next year, with manufacture taking place at General Motors' Lansing Delta Township factory in Michigan. Pricing will be disclosed closer to the start of production, and we anticipate a little rise over the previous model, with pricing beginning around $39,000. While the RS is now the top of the line, a luxurious high country trim may be added in the near future. I'm glad that you now fully understand this vehicle. Would you kindly do me the favor of subscribing to this channel and pressing the notification bell button so that you are notified as soon as we upload another video like this? Thank you.